Another week, another history. Hello and welcome to Ease My Fly. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most iconic aircraft in aviation history, the de Havilland DH.106 Comet. It was the first commercial jet airliner and revolutionized the airline industry forever. In this video, we will discuss the history, design, and impact of the de Havilland DH.106 Comet. Comet was developed by de Havilland Aircraft Company in the UK. It was the first jet airliner to enter service and revolutionized the airline industry. The development of the Comet started in the late 1940s, and the first prototype flew on the 27th of July 1949. The Comet was officially launched by British Overseas Airways Corporation, BOAC, in 1952 and entered commercial service in May 1952. The de Havilland DH.106 Comet was designed with the latest technology of its time. It was the first commercial jet airliner that used jet propulsion instead of propellers. The aircraft had 4 de Havilland Ghost turbojet engines mounted on the wings. The Comet was made of aluminum alloy and had a pressurized cabin that allowed it to fly at higher altitudes than previous aircraft. The Comet had a maximum speed of 806 km per hour, 500 miles per hour, and could carry up to 44 passengers. The de Havilland DH.106 Comet had a significant impact on the airline industry. It was the first commercial jet airliner that reduced the flying time by half compared to propeller aircraft. The Comet was also the first aircraft to introduce the concept of in-flight catering, as it had a galley in the cabin. The Comet quickly became popular, and several airlines around the world started using it, including Air France, Canadian Pacific Airlines, and Union de Transports Aériens, UTA. The de Havilland DH.106 Comet experienced 2 major crashes in 1954, which resulted in the grounding of the entire Comet fleet. The crashes were caused by a structural design flaw in the aircraft's fuselage. The Comet was designed with square-shaped windows that were intended to provide passengers with a better view. However, it was later discovered that the sharp corners of the windows created stress points in the fuselage, leading to metal fatigue and cracks in the structure of the aircraft. The first crash occurred on March 26, 1954, when a BOAC Comet crashed after takeoff from Rome, Italy, killing all 35 people on board. The second crash happened on April 8, 1954, when another BOAC Comet crashed after takeoff from Calcutta, India, killing all 43 people on board. Investigations revealed that the crashes were caused by fatigue cracks in the Comet's fuselage, which led to catastrophic failure. The crashes were a major blow to the de Havilland Aircraft Company and the British aviation industry as a whole. The grounding of the entire Comet fleet allowed for a thorough investigation of the crashes and the redesign of the Comet's fuselage. The resulting Comet 4 had a stronger, oval-shaped fuselage with rounded windows, which eliminated the structural flaw that had caused the crashes. The Comet 4 went on to have a successful career in commercial aviation and paved the way for modern jet airliners. Conclusion: the de Havilland DH.106 Comet was a game-changer in the airline industry. It was the first commercial jet airliner and introduced several new concepts that are still used today. The Comet faced some challenges, but its impact on aviation history cannot be ignored. The Comet paved the way for modern jet airliners and made air travel accessible to more people than ever before. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos.